Happy morning sa lahat ng ating mga Green Magic dealers, viewers and friends all over the Philippines and the world. This is Jade Espanola and I am here at Paramount Coffee at Crocodile Park, Davao City for the second episode of our Jade E Network, a platform where we help people transform their lives and heal their lives by sharing different stories from ordinary people with extraordinary lives. So stay tuned for our second episode because kasama ko po ngayon ang isa sa mga napakatibay. Tibay because he has the commitment and dedication to follow his mission and purpose in life, not only by doing business with Green Magic and promoting local businesses, but also in helping the community to be empowered through small business enterprise. So stay tuned! We're back now here at Paramount Garden. This is where we enjoy the best coffee. Have you heard of the Paramount Coffee Sea Salt Latte? Napakasarap po. At meron din silang coffee crumble. Napakasarap din. And this is the best place where you can take your kids kasi napakaganda ng playground. Maraming mga designs. And at the same time po, aside sa coffee, meron silang pizza na napakasarap. Oven-baked pizza. At meron din silang mga grilled choices like chicken barbecue, tuna barbecue, yung tuna inasal, no? So, maraming food dito at napakasarap ng kanilang food at napakaganda ng venue. So, today, I have a very special guest I have mentioned. So, let's all welcome Sir Hutch Jugador. Palakpakan natin, viewers.
Hello, Ma'am Jade.
Hi, Sir Hutch. I'm very happy to see you today.
Me too.
How are you? Kumusta ka na?
Okay naman po. At eto, maganda yung araw natin ngayon.
Yan, nag-cooperate yung ating weather. Thank you, sun. And thank you, weather. Thank you, nature, no? So, napakaganda ng ating place kasi this is full of prana. Prana in Sanskrit is energy.
Energy.
Kasi maraming plants and then may air and then napaka-prosperous ng energy nito, no? Ano mo, napansin mo, napakaganda ng energy. So, Sir Hutch, alam ko, negosyante ka. Kailan mo ba nalaman na negosyante ka? At what age ka naka-feel na, ay, eto pala, maganda palang mag-business. Kailan mo yun napansin?
Well, actually, my inspiration talaga is si Ma'am. So, si Mama ko kasi teacher and at the same time, nagbebenta siya that time ng lifetime books.
Ay, Mami Leonor.
Leolin.
Hi, Mami Leolin.
So, nagbebenta siya ng Time Life books and Time magazines. And then, grade 3 ako noon, nag-try ako mag-aral sa isang public school. So, it's new to me, new environment. So, kaya, ang ginawa ko, nakita ko yung friend ko na nagbebenta ng parang mani na coated na may abubot. So, doon ako
ano nga yan? Sugar-coated mani.
Mani. Tapos, doon ako mag-try kaya ako magbenta ng ampaw at saka yung breadstick.
Yeah, ampaw is lamig kaayo, no? Sa mga bata sa una. No? Like me, lamig kayo ang ampaw sa Nabunturan, no? Hello sa mga taga Nabunturan. Yes, sir, go ahead.
Kunya colorful ba itong ampaw so na yung mga red, pink.
Oh, tama, no? And then gold. May gold ang ampaw. So, at what age were you there?
Siguro mga ano to, grade 3 ko ato eh. So, 7.
Wow.
Mga 9 years old siguro.
9 years old. So, kumusta? How did you do that?
Wala ka nang murag na ano nung put sa ako at that time. Ano ko nga mag-try kaya ako. And then ginaas ako si Lola nga. At tataupuan o digos. Huwag sa mata dito. Anak kong Lola. So, ang malitag ang po. Breadstick ka na kayo baligya.
Ano dito na dito ang para sa dito?
Kaya wala may ano kumprahanan sa matan at that time. Kaya ano man siya.
So sa Matanong mo at that time. So that's why there's the Matana Wellness Center.
Yes,
that
that's
you
where,
own, no?
yun po,
So yung may mga
simula.
products si Sir Hatch doon sa kanyang Matana Wellness Center. So he was selling also alcohol during pandemic. Meron siyang mga, what do you call that? Ano pa yung binibenta mo sa
Mga
Matana?
dishwashing liquid,
Dishwashing liquid, popcorn. Ayun, isa yun sa mga products ni Sir Hatch. Then Sir Hatch, ano yung nakuha mo na character ni Mami Leolie na nagamit mo sa business mo?
Siguro yung pagka-hardworking. Yung kailangan never stop ka talaga, do what you can do. Kasi syempre may mga anak si mama at that time, she's kami yun. So ako din, na-inspire din ako siguro for in the long run, who knows. So until today, nakita ko na, ay, dito pala yung life ko. In the business world.
Enjoy pala mag-business.
Yes,
No? So,
correct.
nung maliit ka pa, you were 9 years old, may challenge ka ba pagbaligyan mo sa product? Naglisod ba ka o wala?
Ay, wala pa ko at that time kasi provided man sa akong lola ang kapital.
Ano nung bilo? Karang mamaligyan ka pa?
Wala
Ano ka
po.
maka-approach?
Hindi po. Kay
Mahalin
ano,
ka na.
mahalin po siya tanan.
So, lingaw. So,
Lingaw.
enjoy, no? So, you are a physical therapy graduate.
Yes.
And then, nagnegosyo ka. So, what made you shift from that? Yun yung na-finish mo ng course, tapos nagnegosyo ka. Bakit?
Ay, kasi at the time when I finished the course, sabi ako na mag-take ako ng board exam sa Cebu. So, si mama niingon sa ako nga, gusto ka mo trabaho Manila. So, nag-venture ko Manila. And then, nagkaroon ko mga work after work. Tapos, bago ko nisulod sa BPO, until such time, nakita na ko, I need to have an extra income. So, dito na ako nisulod yun ang akong sa direct selling.
Wow. Nung nag-college ka, nagapangayo ka ba pagbalon sa imong mama?
Ay, provided man to. Kay sa
Provided.
una, nahiman tong life sa una. Kay syempre, ang mahal good ang PT, of
Oh, yeah.
course. So, kailangan joke support with my aunt na nasa Australia. So, ako to ang way na nga nag-PT ko because of her.
Ako pangutana, sir, kay ako dili man ko kayo business-minded when I was little. Maulaw ko mamaligya. Ikaw at 9 na maligya na ka, wala ka na ulaw?
Wala po pa naulaw. Kaya akong mga kay syempre at that time magud ka ng school na teacher mo po akong lola. So
Okay.
siguro na known po nila akong lola. So ako wala na po ko kay binila kung teacher yung lola dili maulaw na ka. Wala lang po ko nagtry lang po ko kasi easy to be with lang magud ko na type ko as sanguine ang personality ba na sige raw katawa na
Walibog.
Walibog.
Oo. Pareho din mo sa akong brother, sir, na imong classmate.
Classmate na ko.
Si Sean.
Si Sean.
Gamay pa na siya kay mamaligya po siya Gema, Bayabas, no, yung anak. So, in that, sa imong time, sir, from gamay ka pa, hantod karon, what did you appreciate in life? Ano to kanino?
Appreciate in life siguro na to na ko is you value the things pa na imong ginahimo. You value the things that you love,
Yeah.
and then you have to really know your passion.
Yeah,
Kasi
know your passion.
kung alam mo yung passion mo, it would lead you to something greater.
I love that.
Oo,
No?
no?
When you know your passion, it will lead to something greater. So, are you now heading to that path of something greater? Sir?
Yes, of
What do you
course.
think?
Ako na magita sa point na mo abot kita sa point na nagita ma-fulfill. But still, fulfillment at some point na nakapod kay nga sana naapay lain na mo buhay. You don't need to limit yourself.
Yes.
Because we're limitless.
Oh. Yes, it's true, no? We are limitless, so that's why we keep on growing.
Growing.
Yes, kaya there's no such thing as, do you believe that there's no such thing as retirement? Walang retirement. You just change time.
Right. Correct.
No? So, you keep on growing and evolving. So, nindot no na discussion with Sir Hatch because the essence of living your passion, living the joy in your life is there. Because after all, wala tayong madadala, no, when we leave this earth. Tama ba, Sir Hatch?
Yes, correct.
We just have to enjoy love, joy, peace, abundance every day, and enjoy wherever you are. Be in the present moment, and that is now. So that's why what we have now is a gift, and this is a precious gift moment that I have with Sir Hatch. So stay tuned. When we come back, let's hear more about Sir Hatch Ugador.
Hi, hello! Ako po si Ami Ignacio. Gumagamit po ako ng Herbapil. Sukad nga na gamit akong Herbapil. Nindot na ako ang bawas o ang akong tulog. Karon o na bawasan na ako ang timbang o gamay na akong hawak. O kamo, gamit ako mo para masisipon mo parehan ako.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Hot Sugador and welcome po sa ating The Rock Concept Store kung saan meron akong display dito ng mga abubot. Tara, pasok tayo! Natin The Rock. Yan po yung owner namin, Sab. Hello, Sab. At isang kaway-kaway naman. And then of course, ito po yung mga display natin, guys. Ayan po. So, Starsky Fashion Boutique wherein you can have all the clamps. Ayan po. Ayan. Premium clamps tayo and ordinary clamps. Meron tayong mask. Meron tayong panty liner. Meron tayong bow clips. So, meron tayong mga tote bags. Ayan po. So, if you do have time, Monday to Saturday po dito, guys. From
Not one thing. I've got a hunch I'm never going to feel no other kind.
Ang sarap ng ating Paramount Coffee. At ang flavor po nito ay Cookie Crumble Hazelnut Latte. And so I'm back now with Sir Hutch. And let's continue our very interesting discussion. No? Napakabata pa pala niya nung nagsimula siya ng negosyo. So, Sir Hutch, from that experience, kailan mo talaga sineryoso ang negosyo mo?
Well, nung nasa Manila ako, I started with BPO and then for...
BPO is a call center industry.
Yes, call center industry. And then nakikita ko na parang kulang
Kulang ha?
yung sweldo,
Okay.
not enough. So that's why I decided to venture any direct selling sa Manila. So doon ko siya sinubukan sineryoso.
Wow. So, I love direct selling. Ikaw?
Ako,
Yes.
number one, direct selling talaga yung
Yeah,
no?
no, because it helped a lot of people, especially mga parents, no, na magnegosyo, magkaroon ng sideline, and hindi mo kailangan maging graduate para magbenta o mag-umpisa ng negosyo as long as marunong kang dumiskarte, right? No? So, Sir Hutch, nung sineryoso mo na yung negosyo mo, ano yung strategies mo para
Well, of
makabenta ka?
course, yung strategy is bibili ako ng mga produkto and then dinadala ko siya sa office.
Aha.
And then from there, utang muna.
So
Oh
nagpapautang
yes, of course. Duman tayo sa ganon. And then after every other Friday kasi yung sweldo. So pagka next Friday, bayad na.
Okay. So, bayad agad.
Bayad.
Wow. Maganda yun ang strategy, ano? Kasi mahirap yung magpapautang ka at hindi ka nababayaran.
Babayaran.
Buti naman wala kang bad debts.
Wala naman.
Ang sarap ng kanilang coffee crumble. Ano yung flavor mo? Sea salt latte.
Sea salt latte.
Yeah, masarap.
Yes, correct.
No, visit Paramount Coffee Shop here in Crocodile Park, Davao City. Masarap na masarap ang kape. Take it from us.
Yes, correct.
So, ano yung biggest challenge mo? Yung nagdenegosyo ka na, sineryoso mo na siya. Ano yung biggest challenge mo when you do the business?
Siguro yung biggest challenge pag marami ng orders tapos naka-all out na yung yung budget.
What do you mean all out?
Kumbaga, parang inano mo na siya, parang binili mo na yung ini-spend mo na yung mga products na yun. And then, may mga upcoming products pa na wala ko ng funds to cater.
So
Yan,
parang
oo.
hindi mo ini-expect ang
Yes,
influx ng
influx ng
orders.
orders.
And then kulang na yung money. So,
Money.
anong ginawa mo nung kulang na yung money mo at maraming orders?
Well, ang ginawa ko, pinapaubos mo na yun, and then pag may sahod na naman yan, yung portion ng salary, doon ko pinakuha. And then kita naman ng direct selling nun, doon ko rin pinakuha.
Wow.
So, pwede silang maghintay.
So, ibig sabihin, meron ka ng discipline
Yes.
on how you handle money. Ay, ang galing naman. So, meron ka bang financial notebook?
Meron ako.
Oh my God! Meron ka no?
Yes, at that time. Oo.
At dahil ngayon wala.
Oo. Ngayon naka-keep na. Ano na lang.
So meaning to say, yung financial ledger mo, nililista mo doon kung magkano yung kita, yung expenses mo rin.
Expenses, of course.
Advantage ba yun pag nililista mo ng ganon?
Advantage in the sense na alam mo yung pumapasok at saka lumalabas na pera. You can monitor it kasi. Pero pag hindi mo monitor, parang break even lang, parang walang nangyayari. So, ayun, kailangan meron ka talagang option. So, really, gawan mo ng paraan. Ito, nakalista nito yung ginastos, nakalista yung na-spend or bumabalik para at least yung portion ng balik sa'yo is already savings na.
Parang it's a way of keeping track talaga.
Yeah.
Kung may kita o wala. Ano mo yung anak ko si Jaden, binigyan niya ako ng financial ledger. My God, ang hirap pala no, to keep track of the
Yes,
expenses. Pero it helps pag
It helps,
nagre-negosyo
yes.
ka talaga. So, yung mga nagre-negosyo at hindi nagre-record, you should do it, no? Para makita mo yung income mo. And then, Sir Hatch, yung nagne-negosyo ka na, and then meron ka sinasabi na mga challenges, what was the lesson, the greatest lesson that you learned from that?
Well, siguro yung lesson is kung ano lang yung pwede mong kayang ilabas, yun lang muna. Hindi ka i-exceed dun sa expenses na in-expect mo. Kasi normally, pag bumibili ka ng produkto, pag wala na, so kung ano na yung budget, doon lang muna. And then, time to time, pag merong order, reserve na lang yung orders na iba.
Okay. So, kumbaga, order mo ito, sige, re-reserve natin.
Yan. Para at least pag may kumita ulit, may pambili na ulit. So, yung makikita na yung next order. So, parang naka-line up.
Naka-line up na.
Line up,
Depende sa budget. Kasi pinapautang mo rin, di ba? So, nagro-rolling ka nga. So, wow. So, ang galing mo naman palang mag-rolling.
Rolling. Kaya nga natatawa kami sa family kasi ano bang gagawin mo sa pera? I-rolling ulit.
I-rolling ulit. Okay, so napakaganda pala no pag hindi mo tinatouch yung capital mo.
Yes.
No? So, kaya I think yan ang failure ng ibang business, no? Kasi nagnenegosyo pa yan kasi hindi sila marunong mag-grow. Kinakain, ginagamit na yung capital. Dapat sana yung ano lang, yung kinikita mo lang. Or dapat ang kinikita nga, sinisave pa nga, di ba? Yung experience na yun, did it improve your personality?
Yes, of course. The patience. Pasensya. Kasi pag nagpapautang ka, kailangan mahaba yung pasensya mo pag naningil ka na.
Pag hindi ka nabayaran.
Hindi ka nabayaran, of course. But in a humble character pa din na kasi alam naman na yung
So, patience ang naano mo doon.
Yes, correct.
And then, what else? Sa personality mo, aside from patience, na-enhance ba yung relationship mo sa mga tao?
Oo, kasi yun yung pinaka-importante. Aside sa kayo parang magkikita ka ng pera, yung pinaka-importante is you value the customers talaga.
You value, yeah. How do you value them? Meron ka bang freebies?
Sometimes, kung sobra-sobra na may
Pag
freebies.
malaki ang
Kasi
binili.
minsan yung mga direct selling naman na pinapasukan natin, meron din silang free. So instead of keeping them, why not bibigay din sa kanila yung free?
Yeah, oo. Kasi yun lang naman yung parang they feel valued talaga. Kahit ako pag binibigyan ako ng freebie, ang saya-saya ko, di ba? Kasi hindi mo binayaran yun, it's for free. At parang it's a thoughtful gesture na binigyan ka. So yung yung pag nanegosyo mo at that time, aside from yourself, meron ka bang natulungan? Or yung pag nanegosyo mo for yourself lang talaga?
For myself lang talaga. Kasi syempre ang Manila is medyo mahal yung expenses sa Manila. So kaya yung kung the higher the salary you have, the higher the demands. So kailangan you need to create another basket para at least masupply yung even your personal need.
What's your business ritual? Meron ka bang business ritual na, kunyari, bago ka lumabas sa umaga, do you pray, do you bless? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo ng business ritual? Di ba? Mga negosyante yung mga ritual.
Yung ritual.
Oo,
Ako
ano yun?
madalas ako laying hands na. Parang
Wow.
gano'n.
Laying hands.
Bless this product na maubos siya. Amen. Gano'n.
Okay, so may declaration,
Declaration.
na maubos siya. Okay, so since nandito rin tayo sa isang very prosperous place, let's declare and bless also na maubos ang benta ni Paramount Coffee.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi ang sasarap ng kanilang mga coffee. Okay, so when we come back, let's pause for some reminders, and when we come back, let's hear for more stories from Sir Hatch.
Thank you.
Sarap ng aking coffee.
Dati, sobrang lungkot ng buhay ko. Parang may kulang sa araw ko. Until I discovered coffee. Kahit anong oras ng araw ngayon, inom ako ng kape. Pagising ng umaga, kape. Mainit na panahon, kape. Malamig na panahon, iced coffee. Bago matulog, kape. Kahit wala sa lugar, kape. Wala ka ng pera, mag-Herbafit coffee mix.
And of course, welcome back. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa pangalawang concept stores dito sa Davao, ang Upcycled Concept Stores. Wherein po, meron din tayong dinidisplay dito ng mga produkto from Starsky Fashion Boutique. But of course, ito po yung mga benta po natin nila pala. Ito, mga damit na pambabae. Ayan. Dito yung pambabae. Meron tayong mga yarns. Meron tayong mga perfumes. Meron tayong mga food. And all the local businesses po or resellers and distributors po ng Mindanao. Ayan, ng Davao City. Ayan po. So, makikita po ninyo. If you do have time po, they're open from Monday to Friday. Ayan po. And Saturday pala. So, ayan po yung ano natin. And here naman po guys, ayan po ating Starsky Fashion Boutique. Ayan. So, for your hair accessory needs, ayan po, you can visit us anytime. Ayan po.
Try this tomato soup to make keeps you healthy and glowing skin. Green Magic will love.
Hi, and we're back dito sa Paramount Coffee sa Crocodile Park, Davao City. And napakasarap po ng aking iniinom. This is the Coffee Crumble Hazelnut Coffee. And you should try it. Sa'yo, Sir Hatch, ano nga yan?
Sea salt.
Sea salt latte, no?
Latte.
Yan ang pinaka-favorite ko. Pero ngayon, ito yung aking in-order para matikman ko naman ang Coffee Crumble Hazelnut. Okay, so going back to Sir Hatch. Sir Hatch, you've been with Green Magic for around 8 years. What made you join Green Magic?
Actually, a friend of mine, kasi meron ako pagdating ko ng Manila 2015, di ba may mga acne ako.
Oh, meron
Yeah,
ba?
meron ako that time.
Oo.
So it was introduced to me, sabi niya, try mo yung guava soap. So, tinry ko, and after a week or so, nag-improve.
So, guava ang ginamit
Yes,
mo
correct.
from Green
Guava.
Magic.
Oo.
So, within 1 week of using it, nag-improve.
Nag-improve siya.
So, what happens then?
Yung acne medyo nag-dry up,
Aha.
and then yung maliliit na siya, tapos medyo nag-lighten na siya.
Mm.
So, kaya, after ng guava, kamatis na, para at least kinis-kinis na.
Okay. So, nung nagka-acne ka, guava muna ang ginamit
Yes.
mo, then within 7 days na nawala,
Yeah.
then naglighten din siya.
Mm.
So, that's the very good effect of using guava soap
Guava
talaga,
soap.
no? Kasi antibacterial din kasi si guava.
Correct.
And then, you follow it on with kamatis na.
Kamatis na.
Oo. So, how do you feel nung kamatis na ang ginamit niyo po?
Parang binabangat yung
May firming na.
Firming na.
Si kamatis
Si
na sabon.
kamatis,
Oo.
yes.
Kasi ang kamatis natin na sabon has astringent properties. Yung tomato pa talaga. So napakaganda pala yun na tip, Sir Hatch, no? Na pag may pimples ka, una muna si guava.
Guava.
Para antibacterial siya. Matanggal yung mga cause ng acne.
Correct.
And then kamatis na.
Kamatis.
Pang-firming and pang-lighten na rin. Ano? So, what made you... ano sa tingin mo ang meron sa Green Magic that made you stay this long?
Well,
Aside sa
actually,
products, of course, na gusto mo yung
Oo.
produkto.
Well, si Green Magic kasi is one of the local product na very affordable. So, of course, sa 350 pesos mo na puhunan, you could able to create or start your own business.
Actually, yan ang reason po na ginawa natin sa Green Magic na 350 pesos lang yung puhunan para lahat mo ng mga mama, ate, dyan, or kuya, whosoever who would like to start a small business, kayang-kayang 350. Tapos meron pa tayong free products na 8 sabon. Pag naibenta mo ang 8 sabon, yun na yung sinasabi ni Sir Hatch na rolling ka na.
Yes.
Oo, diba? Huwag mong gastusin yung capital mo at saka yung kinikita mo sa negosyo mo. Yun dapat muna yung pang-roll mo. Okay, so, Sir Hatch, anong pinaka-favorite mo na sabon sa Green Magic?
As of now, yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga is a combination of Choco Scrub at saka Glutaglow. Ayan.
Combination of Choco Scrub and Glutaglow. Bakit po? After, kasi wala nang pimples, no?
Oo, wala nang pimples. So more on, ano na lang tayo, parang firming, whitening, parang gano'n na
At
lang tayo.
patanggal ng mga
libag sa Bisaya.
Oo. Yes, kasi ang ano po, yung chocolate scrub, may oats siya. So, napakaganda siya pang tanggal ng ating mga dead skin.
Yes.
So, maintain palagi ang natural, smooth, and healthy looking skin natin. No? Sir Hatch, from all the experiences that you have shared, since you're a child, no, umpisa kang magnegosyo-negosyo, sabi mo, no, with your ampaw, na doon mo nakita yung, ay, maganda pala magnegosyo. What's your personal advocacy now?
Well, my personal advocacy is really to support talaga local products and never stop yung parang venture from one product to another. Kasi maybe in the long run, yung interest mo, iiba man siya, pero nandun ka pa rin sa purpose na it's a local product.
Yeah.
And of course, people can benefit and even the local owners can benefit as well.
I love that. No, goosebumps. Kasi, yeah, that's why we're here at Paramount Coffee Shop po dito sa Crocodile Park. Kasi this is also a local product. So, dapat po tayong mga Pilipino, let's support local. Like si Sir Hatch na sinasabi, no, na yun ang kanyang personal advocacy. Me too, I love to support local products. Kaya, if you have a product, if you're from Davao or anywhere in the Philippines, no, Philippine-made product, and if you want us to promote your business, please message us directly or me so that we can give you at least one appearance not one appearance, an appearance in one of our episodes for free. But if you want to sponsor our advocacy of sharing stories and healing lives, you can be our sponsor or donor, diba? So, who knows, by your support, we can help a lot of people transform their lives through this program, no? Like what Sir Hatch is sharing is very empowering, no? Na let's support local entrepreneurs and let's be business-minded, no? Kasi you can explore, no, your talent. Na-explore ba yung talent mo, sir? Kaya
Yes, of
negosyo ka?
course. Meron naman. Kasi it would test your creativity.
In what sense?
In what sense? Kasi maybe for some, kung pangit sa'yo yung isang produkto, but for me, maganda sa akin. So doon ko yung matest yung creativity.
Okay.
Kasi hindi naman nakikita ng iba, ito maganda to. Sa'yo lang maganda, pero sa akin hindi.
So you have to test it.
Yes, correct. So I have my visual talaga na, ito pag binili ko to, mabenta ko to.
Okay.
Yung parang may eye ako for that.
Yeah, no?
Oo.
Parang we have to use our intuition.
Intuition, yes,
Yeah.
correct.
And intuition also is our inner compass. Do you believe in that?
Yes, correct.
No? Parang yun yung nag-guide para mas madali ang buhay natin. So, Sir Hutch, at your age right now, what is your personal belief that keeps you going?
Siguro ang ano lang is, don't stop challenging yourself.
Don't stop challenging yourself. Why?
And always go out from your comfort zone. And then discover new things kasi right now magkaiba yung ano natin generations by
Yeah,
generations,
oo.
mga innovations iba-iba. So you need to baka lang open-minded ka sa lahat na ano kasi ibang mga products is seasonal, di ba?
Oh, yes.
Ngayon, malakas ngayon, next after 3 months, hindi siya malakas. Pero with Green Magic, lifetime po kayong maliligo. Gagamitin niyo po yung sabon.
Actually, yan yung advantage natin sa Green Magic, no? Kasi yung product po natin sa Green Magic ay consumable, yung mga sabon. And like Sir Hutch, he's been with Green Magic since 2015. Hindi siya nagsastop kasi he likes the soap, naliligo siya, naubos ang sabon. So, it's like changing your brand, the Green Magic. And besides, it's herbal.
It's
herbal, no? So, hindi siya nakaka-harm sa skin. So, Sir Hutch, what is your personal mantra?
Mantra.
Meron ka bang mga mantra na sinusunod na nire-recite every day na like me? One of my mantra is Acts 17:28. In God I move, I breathe, and have my being. Like where I am sitting right now, the fullness of God is.
Pero ako, siguro sa akin, yung ano natin sa Green Magic,
Ano yun?
Jeremiah 29:11.
Yeah.
So yun yung pinaka-strength natin kasi of course, behind everything, God is in control. So,
Yes.
siya talaga. And we only draw strength from Him lang talaga.
Yes. Jeremiah 29:11 na sinasabi ni Sir Hutch is the company verse of Green Magic
Green
because
Magic.
it signifies hope. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. So what is your greatest advisor sa mga nanonood sa atin, especially those who are starting a business o yung mga napagod na sa kakanegosyo o nawala ng pag-asa, especially after pandemic?
Yes.
Ano yung pwede mong maibigay sa kanila na?
Well, of course, for everyone, don't stop. Don't stop learning because every day is a learning process. It's every day is a building character. So kung ano yung gusto mo, love what you do, and then as you love what you do, be expert in your craft. And then until such time makita mo yung gustong negosyo na gusto mo pa.
Yes. And I believe sa mga nangyari sa buhay natin, sa iyo, and nakikita ko na you're still there because of what you have planted. No? Simple lang naman ang buhay. Kumbaga, it's the golden rule. What you do comes back to you. If you plant something good will come back to you. Do you agree?
Yes. So,
Ano yung-
do good and be good.
Yes, do good and be good. Meaning to say, if there's something good that we can do today, let's do it now, for we may never pass this way again. In short, never delay. Okay, so thank you very much for joining our program, our second episode from Jade E Network, and we would like to thank everyone who is supporting this advocacy, especially our sponsor for today, Paramount Coffee. Ayun po sila, no? Thank you so much.
Thank you, Paramount.
Thank you, Paramount. I love the coffee crumble.
Me too.
Your sea salt latte.
Sea salt latte.
So thank you. At sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, maraming salamat. To God be all the glory.